Raja's first blizzard. So, it's snowing outside a lot. This is Raja's first blizzard. Okay, I'll show you. So that's what's going on. Yeah, there she goes right now. So a lot of snow. I don't know if you can see it. You can't really see it snowing. So that's a recipe. Yes, hello. Yeah. She likes to jump at the snowflakes on the window. She sometimes jumps like way up here, and then when little snowflakes fall down here, she tries to catch them.
Yeah, when you take it off,
Yeah. Well, so, yeah. Well, she's being boring right now because I'm not. Well, because I am recording here. But this is Raja's first blizzard. Yeah. Oh, look at that. She just disappeared. Well, hold on. Gonna go.
Yeah.
Raja.
Are they asking now or what?
No, but I didn't say it.
No.